So here we are at the Nokta macro stand with Dilek and Mehmet, and they're going to talk to us about the new Invenio product that's going to come to market shortly.
Hopefully.
Hopefully,
Yeah.
hopefully shortly. So this brand new machine, that's the product there that Mehmet's holding, but also comes with this wireless screen. So let's see what it can do. Go for it. So on the screen you can see the grey area. So the grey area is the area that the coil's covering, and then the red area is where it's detecting metal. And we can't currently see the target.
This is supposedly the ground, that's why we have.
Yeah. It's a secret as to what's underneath.
So it's processing the data right now.
So there we go on the right hand
Yeah, it's
side
still
here.
processing the data here, as you can see.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, we get this image.
So we have an image on the screen there.
What does it look like, Pete?
Well, it looks like a triangle to me. So let's see what's underneath. Look at that, bang on. So there's the target, and that's what the machine is.
And you can actually see the ID, the depth,
Okay.
and even the dimension
Right.
of the target. And this is, I would say, 94% accurate right
Okay.
now. We call this the world's first smart detector and imaging system.
Okay.
And this is a patent pending technology. This is our technology.
Right.
We're utilizing a special sensor
Yeah.
which we developed, and we call it the IPTU sensor, IPTU. Don't ask me what it stands for. Okay, I'll try to remember this. My engineers came up with this like fancy name
Yeah.
for it. Integrated Positional Tracking Units.
Okay.
There you go. That's what it is. So here's another one.
Here's another one. So again, we can't see. So again, the grey area is where the coil is sweeping, and the red is what it's detecting. Okay, so we've got to the end of where the metal was, processing the data. Okay, so to me it looks like...
Hold on, we can actually change the resolution. There you go, we can see
Okay.
it in different resolutions. Buradan mı yapıyorsun? Ha. Whichever you like.
Yeah.
Resolution'u yaptığın zaman tekrardan
So you can change the resolution. Normally the device would pick the best resolution,
Right.
you know,
Okay.
but you can actually
can choose
manually,
it, yeah.
change it to see it in
Şuraya
different.
bakarak şurada en uygun resmi zaten.
This is the raw data.
Yeah.
So you can pick the one you want. Ötekisi nasıldı, böyle miydi? Okay. And
Okay.
we have a
So we've got a
T
T
here.
on the floor, and what looks to me like a T on the screen. Really, really clever.
Okay, same thing. You can get the ID and you can actually get the dimensions here.
Yeah.
Now everybody is gonna ask what it does with coins, probably.
Yeah.
Of course, coins, I mean, are very small targets
Yeah.
for the system. We can still detect them. We can still see the location very accurately.
Yeah.
But of course, when it comes to the dimensions of a coin, it's gonna be very it's gonna be hard to tell.
Yeah.
But then again, if it's sitting next to another metal, you
Yeah.
will still be able to tell how small of a target it is if it's sitting
Okay.
next to a larger target, which I will demonstrate right
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
Detaylar da gösterin back.
And then that. So by pressing that button,
Uh-huh.
we're starting again on the screen here. So again, the grey area is where the coil's sweeping,
Sonra çok başka bir şey.
and hopefully we find some metal. Okay, so already you can see what I would say is 2 different targets, possibly 3, 4, 5.
Çok çıktı Mehmet Ali.
Başka şey de böyle. Şov yapıyor.
5 tane var burada.
So again, processing the data.
Burada şey çok önemli bak.
Okay.
Şu sıralama var ya şu.
Okay, so for me, it looks like 1 long target on the right and then 4 individual on the left.
Şöyle mesela ben anlatayım. Ben gitmiyorum bir dakika.
He wants to say something now.
Yeah.
5 metal. 2. One metal and 10.
ID 19. So this is telling me that this is a ferrous metal
Okay.
with an ID of 19.
Yeah.
11 santim dip.
11
11
centimeters depth.
centimeters. Yeah.
Tamam. İkinci metal.
Now we go to the other metal. It's telling me that it's a non-ferrous metal with an ID of 83.
Yeah.
Üçüncü metal.
That's the third one, 69.
Okay.
Different metal.
Okay, ID 69. The fourth one is ID 82.
Yeah.
And the fifth one, ID 79.
Okay.
So we're talking about 4 non-ferrous versus, plus ferrous metal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Start verdiğim yer.
This shows you the whole scanned area.
Okay.
Like
Yeah.
you started here and you finished here. Bir önceki ekrana geçer misin? Şunu göstereceğim. If you look here,
Yeah.
see this is in centimeters, by the way.
Yeah.
So we're looking at about like 40 centimeters to like I would say like around 90 centimeters. So we're looking at
Yaklaşık 50 santim zaten.
around like 50 centimeters in length.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Şimdi şuradaki dizilimine bir baksana. Şu dizilim, şu var ya şu metalden dizilimi.
Please pay attention to the location of the metals
Yeah.
here.
Şuraya gelsin.
And let's see here now. There you go.
Okay, so there's definitely 1 long target and then 4 individual coins on the left.
And this is 50
Yeah,
centimeters in
definitely,
length,
yeah,
by the
totally.
way.
Yeah, which relates perfectly to what's on the screen there.
One more thing, I want to show you the actual like detection screen.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now he wants to.
Okay.
He wants to show off. He's
Yeah.
excited.
Bir şey yapacağım da. Yeter onu. Şimdi bizim arama ekranında her metalin bir
That's what
rengi var.
he's gonna show. The detection screen. Okay.
Right.
Her
Okay.
metalin bir rengi var burada.
The other screen is what we call the scanning or the confirmation screen.
Yeah.
You know, so once you like hit a target, once you detect something,
Yeah.
you go over it to get that image and the dimensions
Okay.
and the depth.
Yeah.
This would be your actual detection screen, and you'll see everything in real time here.
Okay.
Please watch. Now he's going over the ring, the
Yeah.
golden ring, the wedding band, and it's giving you a yellow color.
Yeah.
And you can see exactly here.
Okay, so on the target.
The ID as
Yeah.
well. Okay, now he's going over the coin. You can see the ID here and the color. See green, green. Same thing with the other coin. Same thing with the other coin
Yeah.
and the fourth coin. Now he's gonna go over the metal bar.
Yeah.
Şimdi şuraya bak. Bak oradaki dizilime bak.
See? Do you see
Yeah, yeah.
how they're like located?
Yeah, and that perfectly matches what's there. So where the ridge is high, what does that relate to? Is that strength of target or?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Signals strength.
Okay.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Şöyle bir şey yapacağız. Trace'e basacağız.
And now watch this.
Şimdi ben geziyorum.
See, now he's gonna go around with the detector
Yeah.
and the coil
Ekrana bak. Ekrana
and
bak.
watch the screen. This is the trace function. The screen will follow it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. So you can head back to where the target was.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Böyle bir yere döndü benimle beraber beni takip ediyor.
That is really clever. Really, really clever.
Bir ekranı temizliyor.
He's just gonna clear the screen now.
Okay. And then you can start again.
Yeah.
Okay, so an LED underneath the handrest there.
Different search screen. Sensörlüsüz arama yapar.
Okay, so let's say you don't want to use the sensor.
Yep.
You know,
Şimdi
you can just
So just
this is
as
your
a regular-
search screen, detection screen, yellow,
Yeah.
gold. Now he's going over the coins. And
Okay.
you get everything like in real time.
Yeah.
All the signals and the IDs and you know the graphs. And
Okay.
this is the 2D.
Yeah.
3 frekans.
3 frequencies.
Okay. So we've got
5, 14, 20. You know we
14,
love those
20.
frequencies.
That rings a bell.
15 language.
15 languages. It's going to be available in 15
I
languages.
can only speak one. I only need English.
So you don't care. Just give me English.
Ondan sonra burada 6 search mode,
6 search
Right.
modes.
3 mode no motion,
3 non-motion modes
Yeah,
and
and three
3
motion.
motion modes. Exactly.
fast mode. This one.
So that's super fast.
There is speed.
It's very, very quick, isn't it? And no lag between the screen and the machine
No,
either.
not at all. 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection.
Right.
Şu dinliyorum. Yani bu şu anda normal bir tek para cihazı kadar hızlı.
So it's as fast as a regular, like a coin detector
Yeah.
right now.
Yeah.
It's okay.
That's it.
Very, very good product.
Thank you.
When's it coming out?
Daha çok özelliği var. Gerçekten biraz sırtlamayacak.
He says it has more features, but it's
Ah,
going to
okay.
take a long time.
Yeah.
Soon. I mean,
Soon.
we need to work on the training videos, tutorial videos, and
Yeah.
you know the manual, but soon.
All the boring bits.
What's that?
All the
Yeah.
boring bits.
But it's almost ready.
Good.
We're almost done with it.
Good.
Uh-huh.
Thank you, Dilek.
Thank you.